What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I'm super excited because I'm gonna be doing this super easy everyday spring makeup look and just getting ready with you guys and hanging out together. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys like Get Ready With Me's and I'll know to do more, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. It'll be the first link right down below in the description box. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so first step, we are gonna prime. I'm gonna try out this new primer. This is from e.l.f. and this is the Prep and Hydrate Balm. I've been trying out a lot more Oh! This feels amazing. Wow, oh my God, what is this? Yes, it does say that it's a cooling balm and it has water, shea, and vitamin E to nourish and moisturize. This feels amazing. Wow, okay, impressed. I've been trying out a lot more drugstore stuff recently and I'm really, really impressed with this, wow. I'm just gonna tap it in with my fingers a little bit, but oh my God, this feels so, so nice. And it smells really good. Up next for foundation, I'm gonna mix two little guys together. So this is the Too Faced Born This Way. You guys know I'm obsessed. I love this foundation, but I'm gonna mix a little bit of the Marc Jacobs Do You Dew Drops. This is like their liquid highlighter. I'm gonna mix some into here. Cause I wanna do like dewy, glowy skin. I feel like that's what spring is all about. So I'm just gonna apply the foundation onto my face and I'm gonna just apply the highlight as well, and we'll just mix it together with our beauty blender as we blend. That's what I always do. I'm just gonna add the highlight. Oh my God, this highlight is so, so pretty. And then just gonna go in with my beauty blender and blend, blend, blend everything together. I still have like a few rogue eyelash extensions left on my eyes, so if you guys see them, that's what they are. I'm kind of like hoping and praying that they come off soon, because now they just look weird because they're all like basically off and there's just a few left, but I don't wanna like pull them off because I don't wanna like damage my own lashes, you know. My baby hairs are on another level today, you guys. Oh my Lord. Up next for concealer, I'm gonna go in with Tarte Shape Tape. I have this in light medium. You guys know I can't live without my Shape Tape. I like to bring my concealer down my nose and like in the center of my face as well, aside from just my under eye. Since I do use a lighter concealer, it kind of makes the highlight balanced out throughout my face. And then just blending that all out. You guys, it is raining like crazy in New Jersey today. I'm scared I'm gonna like lose power while I'm filming this. Let's hope that I don't. Yeah, because that will be a problem. I'm just hoping that this rainstorm is gonna bring warmer weather, because it was like 80 this weekend and then it was back to 40 like by the end of the weekend. So I would like the 80-degree weather back, please. Comment down below what the weather's like where you live. I would love to hear. Under my eyes, I'm gonna pop in with the Becca Under Eye Brightening Setting Powder. That's a mouthful. I have really been liking this, a very nice setting powder. I'm gonna pop that on my under eyes. And I bring it up on top of my lid as well, because I'm not gonna use like a separate eyelid primer. So we're just gonna set our concealer. I like this because it sets my under eyes really well, but it doesn't make them look dry. So that's a major plus for me. Then to set my all over face, this is new. I've never tried this, or actually, I don't know if it's new, but it's new to me. This is the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Pressed. I've tried the loose Bye Bye Pores before, but I prefer pressed powder when setting my whole face. So we're gonna try this out and see how it works. It's just translucent, so hopefully just sets the, Seems to be like very silky, like it feels nice when I'm applying it. It doesn't seem to be really changing the color of the foundation, which is good. Like a lot of times I feel like with translucent powders, they can actually make it look lighter, like they do actually change the color of foundation a little bit, but this one doesn't seem to be really doing that. Now I'm just gonna go in and fill in my brows and use the Anastasia Brow Wiz today to just fill them in. I haven't used this in a while, but it's always a go-to. Like I can always go back to this brow product and it's like amazing. I'm pretty sure Anastasia Brow was the first brow product that I ever used as well. Like when I first started to fill in my brows, aside from like eyeshadow, when I filled in my brows a couple times with eyeshadow, which was a nightmare because I was using like dark brown shadow and it was just not cute. I've come a long way. So just gonna quickly fill these guys in. All right, for the eyes, I wanna do a really pretty peachy look. I was actually super inspired by Amanda Ensing. She did like a peachy makeup tutorial and then I did it after I saw her video like a couple days ago. I loved the way it turned out, so I wanna try and recreate it for you guys today. So I'm first gonna just jump in with the Urban Decay Naked Petite Heat, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Hot Spell. And I'm just gonna work this into my crease as a neutral transition. This is like it's a brown, you know, like neutral shade, but it also does have a little bit of like orangey warm undertones, but the rest of the colors we're gonna go in with are all gonna be like super peachy and pretty for spring. And peach is a great color too because it's so universally flattering, like with skin tones. Like it looks nice on literally like every skin tone, which is bomb. So like everyone should be able to like recreate this look regardless of their skin tone. And I'm actually gonna bring this transition color up a bit, like not all the way to the brow bone, but pretty high up there. Because this isn't gonna really be, like we're not gonna really use a crease color per se. This is gonna be like an all over wash of color kind of look, which I don't normally do, but I liked the way that it turned out when I did it a couple days ago. Now I'm gonna hop into the BoxyCharm Pure palette. This has a lot of really pretty peachy shades up top here. And I'm first gonna go in with Naked. And then I'm gonna put this color in the crease, but then I'm also gonna bring it all over the lid, like as a wash of color, like just blending it all over my eyelid, like so. Making sure to still blend it up into the crease. Then I'm gonna build up the color and go in with Belle. And I'm just gonna do the exact same thing. Just gonna continue to build up that peachy tone on our lid. This color has a little bit of shimmer to it, which is so pretty. I like never do like eye looks kind of like this with the all over like washed color on the lid, but I actually like the way that it looks. It looks a little bit more natural, I feel like, than using a ton of colors like all in different spots, you know what I mean? And then I'm gonna jump in with the shade Squad. I'm gonna use a flat brush for this. I'm gonna spritz it with a little Fix Plus. And this one I'm just gonna pack on the lid because this one is a lot more shimmery and metallic. And this one is like a very peachy pink sort of color. I'm gonna bring that into my inner corner as well. Then I'm gonna go back in with a little bit of Hot Spell and a little bit of Naked and smoke out my lower lash line. Just match everything up and blend everything together. Then jumping back into the Urban Decay Naked Heat, I'm just gonna go in with Inhale to highlight my brow bone. You never can forget that. Always gotta make it pop. Then for lashes, I'm just gonna pop on the Salon Perfect 614s, which you guys know are my fave. And then I'm just gonna pop some mascara on my lower lash line. I'm just using the Too Faced Better Than Sex. And I'm just gonna go in with the Maybelline Gigi Hadid Gel Liner in my waterline. This is one of my favorite cream colored liners. It's bomb. Now to finish off the face, we're first gonna bronze. I've been obsessed with the Too Faced Natural Face Palette. Oh my God, I've literally been using it every single day. And this bronzer in Tropic Like It's Hot, I love. So we're gonna use that. You really don't need a lot of this. It's very pigmented, but it blends really nicely on the skin. So I'm gonna use this as my all over bronzer. The first time I used this, I went in with so much product on my brush. It was like way too much, but if you just build up the color, it's so, so pretty. But it's nice because it can definitely flatter a lot of skin tones. And then to contour, I'm just gonna go in with the matte bronzer in the palette in Sunny Honey. Just gonna sculpt out the cheekbones. For my blush, I'm gonna go in with this guy from MAC. This is Telling Glow. It's a pretty like peachy orange shade. I'm gonna pop that on my cheeks. It has a pretty sheen to it. Then for my highlight, I'm gonna go with this little quad from Milani. This is the Rose Gold Stellar Lights Highlight Palette. And I'm gonna go with the shade right here in the middle. And we're gonna pop that on our cheekbones, like so. For my lips, I'm gonna line them with this liner from Flower Beauty in the shade Nude. We're gonna do like a peachy kind of lip, but I don't really have a peach lip liner. Then I'm gonna go in with the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Rio. I love Ofra's liquid lipsticks. I do have a code with Ofra, it's Kelly30, that can get you guys 30% off, but their liquid lipsticks are bomb. This color is so pretty. So this color does dry down to a matte, but I wanna do a glossy lip, so I'm gonna add some lip gloss. I'm gonna use the Laura Geller Color Luster Lip Gloss in the shade Gilded Honey. I've been loving these lip glosses from Laura Geller, they're so pretty. So yeah, that is it, you guys. Literally such an easy and pretty makeup look for spring. I have been loving it. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.